Okay, today we're going to show you how to fix your Element TV if it has no sound. We're going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. If you stay with us all the way to the end of the video and try each of these methods, there is a very high probability that this problem will be solved for you. Okay, the first thing to try here is really the simplest, and in most cases this one will actually work, so you might not even need to go on. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall. Wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here. Wait the 60 seconds and then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. Now this is a lot different than switching the remote on and off, so do it from the wall plug. If this solved your problem, great. If not, this next fix almost certainly will solve the problem. However, this is a factory reset. It will restore your TV to exactly the way it was when you bought it. To perform the reset on most Element TVs, go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset, and then Factory Reset Everything. For some other Element models, follow the instructions shown here at the bottom of the screen. That's our video for today. As always, thank you very much for watching, and please remember to subscribe.